Italia, renowned for its healthy Mediterranean dishes. This is not that. La pasta alla Zozzona. Meat, room, sturdy pasta. She's rich and oh so naughty, breaking every rule of the Italian cooking. Zozzona means dirty, naughty in Roman slang. It also means rich and decadent, so if you're one of these guys that love to put half of a kitchen sink in a dish, then you're gonna love this one. Let's have a look at the ingredients. First we have the usual suspects of Roman pasta: guanciale, the pork cheek, pecorino cheese, black pepper. Then we have eggs, just like for the carbonara sauce, 1 onion. But the Zozzona isn't content to be rich. She wants to be filthy rich, and that means Italian sausage and tomato sauce. Is that enough? Vi basta? Vepo basta? Zozzona is the equivalent of the one ring of the Lord of the Ring, if you will. One pasta to rule them all. But wait, what pasta? Usually short pasta for the Zozzona. Traditionally, rigatoni is the most popular option for this dish. I'll start by preparing the onion. We want it minced here. Most classic Roman pasta don't use onions. There's of course the papalina, which is an exception and uses onion, and sometimes amatriciana. But it's a bit controversial, I put it. Done. Moving on to the guanciale and sausage. Guanciale. Sempre guanciale. As with most Roman pastas, guanciale is more traditional than pancetta here. Guanciale being the pork cheek, while pancetta is pork belly, cured in both cases. I'm going to remove the pepper coating because I'm going to use my own pepper in the recipe, and cut the guanciale into strips. You could also dice it if you like. E la salsiccia. I'm using 2 Italian sausages. Notice what ingredient is not in the Italian sausage. Fennel. Fennel seeds. You won't find fennel in the vast majority of the Italian sausages. Italian sausage simply uses wine, garlic, black pepper and salt. The inclusion of fennel in sausages called Italian abroad is a bit of a mystery to us Italians. Perhaps this was an invention of American Italians coming from a region in the south that added it. It's ironic because Romans used to put fennel in wines during the ancient Roman time to camouflage, to cover spoiled wine. When we do say infinocchiare someone, means to essentially to cheat them. This video has a sponsor, and it's me, with my latest book, Pasta Affair, 50 authentic Italian recipes from Italy. Available now on Amazon. Check the link above and in the video description. Let's embark on a pasta affair. See you there. And now let's move to the pecorino romano cheese. We want a really fine powder here. Double grated preferably. For the tomato sauce, I selected the Piatto tomatoes, the same one that I use in the pasta vesuviana, for example, because they're really sweet. Look at this. And finally the eggs. Just like in the carbonara, in this channel we talked extensively about the safety of using eggs in pasta like carbonara or in other type of recipes that do use some sort of a raw egg on it. So you probably know already that eggs are added off the heat, and you also know that the heat from the pasta is not enough to kill all the bad bacteria present in raw eggs. So pasteurize the eggs, or just buy eggs that are already pasteurized in shell, for example, or simply pasteurize yolks. But don't worry if you can't find it, because by the end of this video you will know how to pasteurize the eggs for your carbonara, for your zozzona, and for your what have you. Always separate eggs cold if you want to keep the membrane around the yolk from busting. There are a lot of fancy kitchen tools that promise to make it easier to separate eggs. But honestly, your soft hands are the best tools. Let's start to do the zozzona. In goes the black pepper, low heat for a quick toast. Then the guanciale strips, and in goes the sausage. And finally the onion. The tomato. Salt to taste. Not too much though, pecorino cheese can be salty. The water is boiling, so in goes the rigatoni. And while the pasta is cooking, it's time to prepare our egg sauce over the boiling water, and that's the trick, to pasteurize it. Essentially, we use the pot with the pasta as a double boiler. Our goal is to get this egg mixture to 71 Celsius and hold it there for a couple of minutes, whisking continuously. A little of starchy pasta water, a quick stir. Mamma mia, look how creamy! We can strain it to be sure this carbonara style sauce is free of clumps. In goes the cooked pasta. Then we remove the pan from the heat and finish it all off with that delicious creamy egg sauce. La sto mangiando con gli occhi. Adesso la impiatto. A sprinkle of pecorino cheese, another dash of black pepper, and via. And now yours truly is going to give it a taste. Sporca, sporchissima. If you're suspicious about adding eggs to an amatriciana, I can understand you, but you have to try. This pasta delivers. Well, until the next time, don't forget to subscribe to Piatto Recipes and to click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Ciao ciao!